Hey, what's up, YouTube? I figured I'd give you guys an update. I got a lot going on right now. Got the motor. Some of you may have been watching some of that. As you might have noticed, I got some valve covers that we're going with, some tall aluminums. We're doing a crankcase evac kit. We got a throttle body upgrade that I've already done. Somebody might want to know. I don't know. I'm making some plates to delete the EGR. We got the beast. The beast's already in our new 4L60E that our good buddy up there, Will, he rebuilt that for us. And but we got the transmission, the motor is about to go in, so we got a little bit of warmer weather here, so we got some plywood out there. Young feller is gonna pull up the truck. We're gonna put a new motor and trans in it because I want to make sure that she shifts good. Got a good torque converter, all been redone, so I know the transmission's good. Hopefully this motor will hold together. You know, we're just putting head gaskets and gaskets on it. We're not building anything crazy with it. But again, the crankcase evap, if you don't know anything about that, it's a little NASCAR trick, 3 horsepower. But if you run mufflers, you don't want to do it. But anyway, we'll get back to that some other video. Coming up, we still have the dirt bike. I'm getting parts coming in, tools. So we're waiting on stuff to continue into that. We're probably going to end up doing top end for sure. Looks like the feller actually went and put a new top end in it, and either the lower end was so bad is one of my guesses, or they bored it and put in a stock piston. I still gotta measure everything, but and also we have none of this is sponsored. This is just stuff that I bought, but I'm switching from the solid straps to these new energy kinetic ropes, whatever you want to call them, kinetic energy ropes. They are pretty cool. So again, none of this has been sponsored. I just purchased it and it's good to have. Also, we're gonna do obviously good quality water pump when we put this on there, because it has new timing chain cover and so on. But if anybody wants any information about that kind of stuff, just leave a message and I can go into detail on some other things. Also, I got a little video I might throw together on these bolts, my organization, because I'm trying to start getting stuff together. So if you any viewers want to see anything on that, just leave a comment. All right, well, I'm gonna get to pulling this truck motor out. Hey, we are back. I apologize for my subscribers and any of the viewers that have been enjoying any of the videos. I'd like to usually deliver them a little bit more often than I have. It's been a week or so since I've posted anything. The 18th, April 18th last week, my dad passed away. So a lot of work has kind of slowed down just because I kind of haven't been as motivated. I've been doing a lot of volunteer work as well at the local church. They've been needing a lot of help. So I recommend any of you out there that are handy at stuff, if you got time, and even if you don't have time, maybe try to find some time to volunteer somewhere, because the world is still full of good people out there and they need help. So if you think there's no good people out there, you know, go be a good person then, you know. So but anyway, update on this, I'll have more videos coming out. The motor, the trans is all in. I haven't hooked up all the wires. Like I said, things have been kind of crazy lately, so I've been focusing on more of the important things in life than just the toys. So hopefully you know, this update video will kind of give you a little bit more of an update. But there's a lot of things going on, the dirt bike and the other trucks. I'm actually just put in an offer on a house, so who knows if, you know, I've been trying to find another place so I don't have to keep working out here, because I'm getting a little too old for that. So I appreciate you guys watching and all the support, and as always, thanks for watching. Take care.